Hi everyone! So this video is for teachers. This is probably more for elementary age teachers. Um, for my other resources and my other videos, I kind of tried to find more core curriculum resources like math or science. For this one, I wanted to find an art resource. To me, art is a really important subject, and I know a lot of teachers who either try to fit art in when there's time, or they incorporate art into the different subjects that they're doing, like social studies or science or whatever it is. So I found a website called artisbasic.com, and this is an art blog. And one thing I really liked about this is, well, for one thing, they have tons of resources. You can scroll down here. There's tons of different projects. Pages and pages of projects. And another thing I really liked about this website is that it's really organized. Some of the other art blogs or art resources that I found were a little harder to navigate. They weren't quite so organized. This one, as you can see, it has different categories. So they have kindergarten through 6th, and if I click, say, 3rd grade, it's going to filter out all the blog posts that are tagged with 3rd grade. So as you see, this one also has color theory, color wheel. They have art projects. So this is the different mediums, the different kinds of the ways that you can create art. They have like clay and drawing and sculpture. So you can filter out for that. If you say you're looking for a painting project, so just click painting. It's going to filter out all the painting projects. And another cool thing, she also has teacher tips here. So if you go, you can see she has tips about art journaling. There's first day of school. So I'm going to click that. There's also free time activities. They have here some bags, some backpack projects, a banner for the classroom, so kind of like decorating. So I just thought that that was a really neat, neat thing for teachers to be able to look at and try to find different ideas. I'm going to go here to free time activities. One caught my eye under this kindness theme choice menu, and you see it's this peace sign, and you're having them, write ways that demonstrate kindness. And I thought that was really neat, and it kind of reminded me of Character Ed. I think Character Ed's required of most places now, or all schools, I'm not sure, but it's where you talk about different personality traits that are desirable, such as kindness, and peace was another one, so that's why I thought of this. Things like gratitude. So I went up here actually to the search menu and I typed in gratitude, and they had some gratitude projects, which most of them are Thanksgiving, but not all of them. So I thought it was really cool that they have so many ways that you can find the resource that you're looking for. Let's type in, say we're looking for a Halloween project. So let's type in Halloween. I clearly already searched for that. And lots and lots of different Halloween projects for different grade levels. So yeah, if you're looking for an art resource, I think that this is a pretty neat one, at least for elementary levels. So yeah, give it a look, and thanks for listening.